Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you get into another video. So don't forget to have the productive day and always level up your skill because it will be beneficial for your future, and let's get better day by day. So in this video, I will share you the simple or the basic way to do the editing video through the Capcut. Who's in here that still not familiar with the Capcut? Please don't forget to try it, to install it from your device. Let's say you are the user of Android, don't forget to install it from the Play Store. Or if you are the user of iPhone or iOS, don't forget to install it from the App Store. So what is it need to have the basic skill to do the editing video, because not only for the music or interesting yourself, but it can also beneficial. Let's say if you are working for the company and if you need or have the role to create the video as, let's say, as the content creator, or you are working as the marketer, then this CapCut also can be beneficial for you to market your or promote or advertise your product. So to become the expert, it is the basic thing that we need to know, the principle and also the basic skill from the CapCut. For example, here I have also opened the CapCut from the home page, and also this is the several menus as you can see here. This is the look when you would like to start a project, or if you would like to see the template, if you would like to create the video and you would like to, let's say, post it into your, let's say, the simplest way in the WhatsApp story or Instagram story, or even you would like to create your post or content into your social media. And this is also the story maker that also allows you to use the AI to channelize your imagination to create the story by the video. So I will go back to this project and let's get started from this new project here. Let's say I will start it, or you can also start it by choosing the or select the video or photo from your device or the gallery here. Or you can also continue your project that you have prepared before, and from this or in this video I will start it from the project that I have prepared before. So this video I have actually downloaded from the Instagram, and I have also cut the several parts of it. And let's say we would like to delete the watermark, then you just need to slide your screen to become on the right section here. As you can see, this is the watermark of the CapCut that usually as the sign that this video was made in the CapCut. And if you would like to remove it, you can just click or select this and delete this. And next, if you would like to mute the music for this entire clip, then you can also mute the clip here so the voice will be not audible again. And let's say you would like to choose the ratio, then you can just slide this menu down here to the from the right to the left, and you can click the aspect ratio. This is also depends on the social media or platform that you will have to post this creation or this post. Then you can just click here, and or if you would like to post this creation into the TikTok, then you will choose this 9 and 16. And you, if you would like to post it in the YouTube, then you can choose this 19 and 16 and 9. And if you would like to post it on the Instagram, then you can choose this 1 and 1. This is the basic menu that we will learn about. And let's say for this video, you would like to divide it or separate it into the several parts or into the let's say five parts. Then you can select or click this video. And as you can see, this menu will appear as long as you have clicked this clip. Then you can click split, and you can divide this video into several section or several clip that you want. And if you would like to cancel the action, you can click this backward here. And after that, you can also, if you would like to cut the video or several video, then you can drag or slide this video a little bit. You can move it forward or into to cut the several clip. And after that, if you would like to add the effect or animation, then you can again click this clip. Then you will choose the, let's start with the animation. These are the effect that Capcut provides you. There are three sections: in, out, and combo. So the in usually use if you would like to start off the video, and the out effect is usually used if you would like to end the video, and the combo is the middle if you would like to add the effect in the middle of the video. And the animation here, and the effect here, you will see the several options. There are video effect, body effect, style, and AI effects. Let's start with the video effect. There are a bunch of effects that CapCut provides to you. So the editing video also depends on the purpose of your video. If you would like to create a chill situation or chill atmosphere, then you can choose the effect that also related to the atmosphere that you create of it. And if you would like to, let's say, create the video about the, let's say, the sport, gym, or extreme sport like that, then you can choose the effect that also level up or embark, or also a strong atmosphere about this video. Let's say you can choose this gravity because the atmosphere is about sport. And if you would like to create a video about the celebration or party, then you can choose this effect about the celebrate or cartoon, etc. There are a lot of effects that you can use here. And also if you would like to, let's say, the object of this video mostly about the one object, let's say about the body of the people, then you can choose this effect, not only to create it more beautiful or grow up, but also there are several effects that make it more funny to look. So please don't forget to explore each effect from this CapCut. About the style, it will need your request but I think I will return. If you would like to know about the style effect, please put it on a comment down below and I will see your comment, and we will make the another version about the CapCut that use this style effect. And also the most important thing to do the editing video is do the adjustment. Let's say if you would like to adjust the brightness or the color or also the saturation, then the step you can do is you can click this clip, and after this menu below is appear, slide it to the left and click adjust. And there you go. There are several things that you can adjust here, such as you can see, the diamond here requires you to do the purchase if you would like to upgrade this CapCut to become the pro version and it get more benefit to do the creation. Then you can choose this cap the first pro version, because if I apply it, it might be able to adjust, but it if I would like to export it, it won't allow me because I haven't do the purchase for the CapCut Pro. So you need to do the payment first or the purchasement first. And this is the basic that you can do here, such as the brightness. You can, if you would like to adjust, then you can move the scale to the left or to the right, depends on the what you need to create this video. And the contrast, you can also move it to or slide to the left or to the right, and so do the all of this adjustment. And also you can do the adjustment for the video quality, filters, preset, and that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and there is at some insight for you. And if you have any requests and feedback for this video, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And don't forget to like and also subscribe this channel to know and watch more and explore more about our another tutorial video. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.